Hello everyone. So next chapter we are having 16th chapter, visualizing solid shapes. In that we are having a very important formula, Euler's formula. Leonhard Euler born 15 April 1707 and died 18 September 1783. He was great Swiss mathematician who made enormous contribution to a wide range of mathematics and physics, including analytic geometry, trigonometry, geometry calculus, and number theory. So let's see what is Euler's theorem when you have a polyhedron. Okay, any type of polyhedron if you are having, so you have a relationship. What relationship you are having? This relationship you will have f plus v is equal to e plus 2. So every time you will get this relationship, f plus v is equal to e plus 2. Here f stands for faces, v stands for vertices, and e stands for edges. So let's say I'm going to take polyhedron cube. Okay, so this one is cube. Now let's count how many faces we are having. So this one is first front one, back one, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many faces we are having? So f is equal to 6. Correct? Now vertices, v is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we are having 8 vertices. Now the next one is edges. So edges equal to, how many edges we are having? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total faces, total edges what we are having? 12 edges we are having. So now what we are going to do? We are going to calculate. See what we have to do? F plus v. That means first I am going to write formula for this. F plus v is, it must be equal to e plus 2. Okay, so this one will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 12 plus 2. So now let's see what we are having. 14 is equal to 14. See, both LHS and RHS are equal. That means this polyhedron satisfies what? Euler's formula. So this is Euler's formula.